Hey guys, welcome to another episode of YaadMentz Tries. We hope you're up to date with all our videos.
Yes.
We did a video last week, so we hope you're up to date.
Yes.
Remember, you don't have to tell me. If you're new, we would like you to subscribe to our channel. We have some awesome contents that we want to share with the world, everybody in Jamaica, just everybody, right? My name is Sean, and this is Debbie, right? So we do reviews. We do a lot of reviews, so we hope you're up to date with what we're doing. If not, check out all our videos in this series called YaadMentz Tries. We do have other videos as well, YaadMentz Season 1, 2, and 3.
And also, we have a wedding series also, so you guys should check that out.
A wedding vlog. So just subscribe, right? And share with your friends and tell them about us so that they can subscribe.
Definitely. Also, please remember to follow us on Instagram. If you guys are not following us on Instagram, what are you doing though?
Yeah.
Please go follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz, and remember to like our Facebook page at YaadMentz
as well.
Also.
And hit the notification bell on all the media platforms to get notification when the video drops, when we drop something new, a new post on Facebook, Instagram. Just hit the notification bell. Yeah. So today we're doing something that we have never done before on on our series of shows. It's an energy drink, and we saw it. It's like it's Red Bull.
What's it called? Give them the proper name. It's Red Bull, the
tropical edition.
Yeah.
Right? Tropical, this is Jamaica and it's a tropical island. When you hear tropical, you think about the sea and the trees and, the laid back. The can is yellow.
Vibe, sunshine. I'm thinking that's what they were going for. Sunshine, bright.
Right.
To go with the whole tropical
Well,
theme.
I think they could add a little more to it to say tropical. It says tropical flavor, so I hope it have that tropicaliness to it. I don't know, but
have you ever had Red Bull before? The regular blue and
yeah, man, I've had Red Bull before.
I've never had
long time.
I've never had the regular Red Bull before.
It's been a while since I really mess around with these type of beverages, the energy drink. But we see this, and Red Bull is something that I've tried before, and I hope this is reminiscence of Red Bull, but a little more flavor vibe to it. Because it's tropical. Tropical people will full of vibes. So I just hope I hope this have that vibes, you know what I mean? But yeah, ready for try?
Yes.
Alright. Here we go. The color is still the same, it's yellow.
Okay.
Yeah.
ASMR guys, ASMR.
I hope like, I'm gonna too the caffeine tonight not make me too like just
true. It's a good thing we're doing this in the day.
Right.
So that it will not keep us up at night if it really does give you that extra energy.
The smell is different.
It smells nice to me.
Yeah, the smell is really different. You know what Quenchade is? You know Quenchade, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so Red Bull, the original Red Bull remind me of Quenchade. Every time I drink a Red Bull, most of these like energy beverages, they have this Quenchade smell to it. But this, it smells different, which is nice. I can't put my finger on the smell.
I don't know. I just like the smell, and I'm ready to taste it.
Yeah, it is. The smell is nice.
Let's go. Cheers.
Yes, it's different. The taste is definitely different.
It kind of sour, guys. The
taste is definitely different.
And it's like tingling in your cheeks. That's the vibe of the song.
You know what it reminds me of?
Kind of tart, like.
It reminds me of Lucozade. You drink Lucozade, right? This reminds me of Lucozade.
I don't know why I'm tasting passion fruit.
Yes.
Something reminding me of passion fruit in this.
Yeah. It tastes just like Lucozade. The smell, right? That's what the smell reminds me of. Lucozade. It have that Lucozade smell and taste, but it tastes nice. It tastes nice.
It's really kind of sour and it's acidic. I guess you guys will be familiar with Red Bull.
Yeah.
I guess that's what it tastes, right? I don't know. I've never had the original Red Bull, so I can't really compare the two.
Yeah, but the taste is definitely different from the original. I kind of like the vibe, but it does remind me of Lucozade. If you have never tried Lucozade before, head out and try that. But this is new on the market. It is Red Bull, the Tropical Edition. Yeah.
All right. So big question. Question of the day. Would you give this a YaadMentz thumb up, halfway thumb, or thumbs down?
I will give it a thumbs up. I will definitely give it a thumbs up.
And I will give it a thumbs up as well. It tastes really good.
Yeah.
If I was to have the whole bottle, like, I'd be chill.
Yeah, you said bottle, it's a can.
Oh,
yeah.
Sorry. Correction. Okay. But yeah, I really like it. I enjoyed it. It had a different kind of taste. It don't taste like a soda.
Yeah.
It don't taste like a drink. You know, it's kind of like a mix between both because it's kind of acidic. But then it has like tartness and so on as some of the drinks. And I think that they really captured the tropical essence in the can.
I mean, you don't want to drink too much of this. There's a lot of sugar in it. And you know, the caffeine in this, it will just keep you upright.
Yeah, but I guess it's just for like, you know, if you're studying or whatever, or you know, you're trying to keep up, you maybe went partying or did something late the night before and you have to go work and you're like, Jano, Omega, stay awake. You can just pop one of these.
And it's really nice. The flavor is really nice.
We'll come back on and tell you if it really did keep us up and give us extra energy. Actually,
probably in the next episode.
We won't.
Probably won't. In the next episode. Probably in the next episode. But yeah, guys, the Red Bull Tropical Edition, it is definitely a thumbs up for me and Devon as well. If you see it out there, you can definitely give it a try. The taste is different. The smell is different. I don't know if you know how energy drinks smell. Trust me, this smell is different. The taste is different. But trust me, the quality is still the same. Yeah.
So we want to thank you guys again for watching another episode in YaadMentz Tries.
Yes.
Please remember to subscribe if you're new. Remember to follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz. Remember to like our page on Facebook at YaadMentz.
Yes.
Do remember to also click the bell so you are notified every time we post
every single time.
video. Remember to share us, guys. We also do take your suggestions. So if you have any suggestions of anything that you're seeing here on the Jamaican market, comment them down below and let us know so we can try them. And we of course shout you guys out.
Of course.
When you suggest stuff to us. Also,
if you
when you follow us on Instagram, we will post a preview of this week's video. Please remember to @ the distributor. So for this video, you're gonna @ Red Bull. Just at them under the video so that they can see that we did this review.
Yes.
So we will see you guys
in the next episode.
In our next episode.
Bye.
Bye.